the cottager, a fascinating species that you find on lakes like this throughout Ontario from May to October. And with the right resources, you'll find cottagers do what cottagers do at Conestogo Lake. When it comes to foraging, it's an important part of cottage life. And gentlemen,
you get a kitchen and a whole bunch more.
You will not want for any of the modern conveniences here. Yes, you have your laundry here.
And wow, what a kitchen. Complete with quartz countertops, this cottage has been renovated to the highest of standards.
It's all part of this incredible gathering place. All of your friends and family are going to be welcome here.
With those incredible lake views and steps to your own pool. Welcome to the primary bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet and your own bath.
And there's more. Here's bedroom number 2, and through this lounge space, we have bedrooms number 3 and 4.
from time to time, the cottager may find it necessary to venture upstream. That can be accomplished here.
Now here's one less thing to worry about when you acquire this double lot frontage cottage.
Included is this dock in a box and easy dock, complete with the Wave Runner ramp, which represents a significant investment. Welcome to your resort lifestyle at Conestogo Lake. This one is extraordinary. For more information on Lot 476 or to book a private viewing, visit conestogolake.com.
Or follow the big yellow chairs, they're everywhere. We're the Reitzels and we sell cottages.